this is Engineer Mac and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to import a floor plan in DIALux Evo. Let's start. Open DIALux Evo software and click on Import Plan or IFC. After the image have been imported, a box will appear on the left corner for the configuration of the plan. Click on the lower left corner of your floor plan to draw origin and x-axis. After establishing the origin and x-axis, another box will appear on the left corner asking you to specify scale. Click a known length in your floor plan. In this case, I choose a 60 feet length in my floor plan. I converted feet to meters since my default measurement is in meters. Input your measurement on the box. Double check and click Finish.